This customer came in with a misfire today, and after further diagnostic, we found a broken rocker arm. These 6.4 Powerstrokes are notorious for valve train problems and engine problems. Luckily, this customer came in and brought it in early enough to avoid an engine failure. After completely taking off the valve train on the driver's side, we found more problems in the valve train with missing clips, broken off clips, and clips that are not on the rocker arm itself. We don't know the root cause of this issue, but we do know that this is a commonly wear and tear issue with the valve train. After speaking with the customer, we're going to get full approval to replace all the valve train, all the rocker arms, and the bridges. If you're having problems with your 6.4 Powerstroke and want to catch it early like this customer did, call us at 724-679-0094 and we're happy to help you.